Gina Kirschenheiter's boyfriend, Travis Mullen, rushed to court to plead with a judge to grant him a restraining order against his ex-wife and desperately asked that the Real Housewives of Orange County star be protected, too. According to court documents obtained by RadarOnline.com, 38-year-old Travis filed his petition against Megan Mullen on August 16. Travis filed for divorce from Megan in 2017. They shared joint custody of their 3 children. In his filing, he asked that his ex be prohibited from coming within 100 yards of Gina and his children. Travis claimed that Megan was arrested for violating a criminal protective order, protecting me from her. She has also threatened me and my family, and has engaged in a campaign of harassment, unwanted contact, attempted extortion, and threats of harm if I do not comply with her demands. He said he needs the restraining order because I am fearful that, in its absence, she will continue to harm and harass me and our children because she has continually and is increasingly harassing and harming me, even with a criminal protective order in place. Travis said Megan's actions have created a dangerous environment for our children and me. In the documents, he explained that Megan was charged with misdemeanor battery over an incident involving him that went down on October 26, 2021. He said a criminal protective order was originally granted in May 2022 and reissued in August 2022. He said the order instructed Megan to stay 100 yards from him. Travis accused Megan of violating the criminal protective order when she showed up in his neighborhood on August 16, 2023. He said he called the police after noticing a car that looked like Megan's vehicle. Travis said he called 911. Officers arrived at the home and found Megan in the car. The police took Megan into custody. She was released hours later without paying bond. In the petition, Travis said Megan showing up at his home wasn't the only issue. He claimed she made several Instagram posts that insinuated that Megan was going to kill herself, called out Gina and him by their names, made various disparaging and untrue comments about him and Gina, and stated that Gina and he were abusing his children. I am fearful of Megan's harassing behavior and threats directed by her to me, he said. Megan fought the restraining order request. Her lawyer claimed Megan and Travis' children go to a school nearly 100 yards from Gina's home. She accused him of seeing her parked to drop off their children and decided to call the cops to have her arrested. Megan claimed that while Travis pleaded for protection for Gina, she said he presented no evidence of harm to Gina. The court granted Travis' request for a temporary restraining order for him personally, but not for his children or Gina. A hearing has been set for December, where Travis will argue to make the order permanent. As we first reported last year, Travis and Megan reached a custody deal after fighting in court for months. Before the deal, Travis filed a police report against Megan, claiming she had kept their children from him. He also demanded an emergency investigation be launched into his ex. Megan agreed to the probe but argued officials needed to look into Travis and Gina. She suggested without offering evidence that our children may be living in a home where they are witnessing domestic violence. Megan even referenced Gina's 2019 arrest for DUI in court documents. I am concerned about Gina's behavior and drinking. She received a DUI in 2019 where she lost her driver's license, she wrote.